Welcome to part 2. I just took the noodles out. Alright, you're gonna want to take them out, pour out the water, but I need 2 hands, so, stay right there. Oh, sorry. Then you gotta get your seasonings. Add the chicken in the flavoring packet. Add some seasoned salt if you have any. Oh wait, where's the fork? I need a fork. Alright, before you put in your seasoned salt, just stir up your noodles. Add your seasoned salt. Like I said, if you have any. I just prefer seasoned salt on mine because it makes noodles so delicious. And you know the little green things in noodles? Right now I'm kind of trying to use the fork to get them out. Alright. Not trying to hurt my fingers. And here's the outcome. Looks good, doesn't it? Anyways, that was how you make noodles. Ask for more if you want me to make more. Psych! I'll make them myself. Boy.